Train Train by Blackfoot, Rickey Medlocke and Co. So we're going to have this first riff. So you can kind of just be on the big E string. You got to open and then two opens. And you got to pull off and another open. So you go. Kind of include those twos from the E power chord there. Then you got to open, open. You got G and F sharp power chords there, 3 and 5 to 2 and 4 in the big strings there. Okay, so this tricky riff here at the end is, so you have open and then 3-4 on the E string, then the open D string, the 4th string, 4 to 2 on the A, so it's, and then 3 open on the big E, hit the E again, or just the 2-2, and then down to the A power chord, so it's. Okay, so the whole thing up to speed is 3, 4. Okay, so you do like 4 of those, you get the verse going, you hold that last one, and then we get into these 7s, the D, G, and B strings. And he'll have a slide on this, so sometimes you might probably slide into that chord. This would be like a 5-4 in the G down to the kind of 2-2 from the A power chord. So like slide into the 7s. Back to the riff. Kind of hold that E again. Now this time we're going to go 4s. Okay, so we got 4, 4, 4. Kind of go G string 4 to 7. To the 7 on the B string. Same kind of 5, 4 to 2. Okay, so these two turnaround things are 7s. 4s. 7 down to 2s, and you could have that. Sometimes you'll have a kind of a 4 to 5 quick one on the D string. So when we have the 4s, okay, same riff there at the end. And you got a new verse, kind of the same type of stuff. 3, 4. 7s. 4. Then we get into a slide solo. We're going to do the rhythm on that. So we have. So 3, 4, moving into an A chord. Walking into the solo, we got a 3, 4 here. Kind of got one of those D with an A bass. We got open 4, 2, 3. After the A chord, we got 2, 3. Those things, kind of an A and D back and forth. 7s, 2s, riff. Now we have a harmonica solo, has a slightly different rhythm. It's gonna go. Then we got that 7s. 4. turn around on that 4. One more solo here. So he does a slide solo riff there at the end as we're holding that A there. And you got a drum fill there. Okay, so the final riff is... So we have 2-4 on the A. Then we have a 2-5 on the D with a bend on it. Back to the 2. Pull off the 4-2 on the A. 3-2 to the E power chord. 3-4. All right, quick review. We got okay, you got 7. You got 4. All right. I'll do one on the slide solo one of these days coming up. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace out. Tabs, check it.